Hey guys, we're here again today, Hard Racing, doing our What's Inside the Box Rigid series. And today we've got these Rigid 202-123s. This is their D Series Pro. These are the 3-inch by 3-inch pod lights, flood optics, amber lens, or amber LED lights. These come in a black housing with amber LEDs. And here's what you get in the box. So you get basically the 2 cubes, and you get the Deutsch fasteners fittings on the end of each cube, and then you get stainless steel hardware bracket for each cube. It's got a nice bracket and all the hardware stainless steel, and then you get a wire harness kit with LED toggle switch, Deutsch connectors for the ends to go into the lights. And as we always mention in all our videos, always make sure to check and verify that you have genuine rigid lights by checking that there is a serial number tag on the wire. If it's hardwired in, there'll be a tag right on the wire right here. And if there is no wires coming out of the light, then the serial number will be stamped on the back of the light. But either or, you gotta make sure, because there are a lot of knockoffs out there. So again, we will continue to do more of these videos for everything we can get our hands on, all the lights. And if you want to see those, please click the subscribe button as well as the little bell icon next to it so that you get sent a reminder that we've made a new video. Be sure to check out our other videos that we've made on the Rigid series as well. And of course, be sure, if you're interested in buying any Rigid, shoot us an email. We have special coupon codes to get you helped out on that. And if you've enjoyed our video, please leave a comment below. If you didn't enjoy it, leave a comment below. We'd love to hear from you. Doesn't matter. Also, you can check us out on Facebook, forums, Instagram, and Twitter. And of course, the best way to get a hold of us is through our website, HardRacing.com, or you can call us, or you can send us an email. And if you have any other questions, just let us know. HardRacing.com.